Hey everyone, welcome to the LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about nail design. I'll be explaining what is a negative space nail design and also show you how it looks. Don't forget to check out my nail art playlist. It is a collection of all my nail art and nail care related videos, which is over 80 videos. It is a must-watch for everyone. Traditionally, a negative space nail design is a manicure where the bare natural nail is part of the nail art design. This can be achieved by using just one nail polish color, and the second shade will be your bare natural nail. Many opt for this look as it is a bit quirky and futuristic, but not that bad. When done properly, it can also give a classic and timeless look. It is perfect for weddings or even for official wear such as office. The technique is pretty easy and simple to replicate. The only hard part is getting those lines to look sharp and clean. Please save this playlist of mine to see all the different styles and methods of negative space nail design that I'll post in the future. Since you are here learning about negative space nail design, you should check out my nail design playlist. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2021. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!